kids are still in that pool.
They need to go.
Spot.
I mean, they're under a metal pergola.
Well, the ceiling's metal.
You don't think that would hurt?
I think you're fucking wrong. But generally, if it's like grounded. Okay? Let's see it. It's crazy, son. What?
The door was open. Smart boy? He goes,
Well, you're gonna have to put him inside because he's chilling with his dog on his porch. And Spud thinks he owns the new block.
no, baby. Oh my god, did you see that?
What your camera did. There you go. Sunlight out like that and the lightning's cracking.
Have you ever been so close to lightning before?
Not super close.
I've seen it like really fucking close. Like from here to this
please
tree.
Don't. Please don't.
What?
You're going to the boat.
Don't be fucking stupid.
Oh god, we tilting up on that.
What?
I said we tilting back up on that. They brought a whole crew and a covered boat.
Who are they? You think they live here? I mean, the weather's being hella bipolar right now.
Get out here, Jose. If God wants to take you like that, so be it. Everything's part of this plan. You got time,
Get him down. Little boy. Give me little paws. You okay, baby?
I like how he like slingshots off me while I'm putting him down.
Get your dirty little paws off me, puppy toe. That's fucking nuts to me. I don't know.
Spud's like that mofo that's totally resisting but yelling he's not resisting.
Spud boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come here, Spud. It's sunny right there where the pool is, then. Weirdly enough.
It's weird as hell.
Might be passing over. I got called. Looks like we're getting a break. Boom. I think we're going to be good for about at least 30-40 minutes once this big cloud gets over.
definitely have to check and see if we got that bolt on there.
The what?
The bolt. Lightning bolt.
Oh, yeah. I'm pretty sure it is.
It's gotta be, right?
It was right there. Right in the middle of those trees.
Motherfuckers out here trying to go out on some lightning.
Yeah, that's crazy.
But it does look straight sunny right there.
But only for like 10 seconds.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels good outside. It's like breezy.
They may have a better barometer than I do. I'm surprised they didn't try to close it just then.
I know, don't they usually if it's lightning?
It's the hood pull leg, I remember that. I was thinking that little person was about to go to the, what's it called? Hammocks.
Yeah.
I'm like, that was some stuff my mom would do. Mom, I'm going in the neighborhood. You can go to hammocks, don't get in the pool.
Oh my god.
What if I want to get in the pool? Little Ray and TJ's there, I can't get in the pool? If their parents there, you can, but if not, you have to stay outside the gate. Mama, only one that's got to have a parent there, Mama.
That's a mom's job.
I'm just playing. Back in the day, they were for real, for real.
What?
You had to have a damn parent with you.
Yeah.
Hell, I think they'd probably be out there questioning these folks, like, y'all sure you don't keep up with all these?
I don't think you can.
What?
I thought he was going to shut her down. They've done it in the past.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have. What's that? Airplane? Sounded kind of crazy, didn't it?
Yeah. I remember that fucking lightning storm that rolled in when I was leaving Avid that day.
Oh, yeah.
You were leaving the washing place or whatever?
That was intense.
I was so fucking scared. I thought a tornado was gonna like churn up somewhere.
When they were saying a tornado one?
They were. That was the other problem with me thinking that there was gonna be a tornado.
That was wild.
I mean, it started, well, I got stuck on like Graham Street or whatever, and it was like hailing.
It was chaos coming in the Sharon Amity way.
I can't even imagine.
They were going pretty wild over there.
And then I saw the light, or the sky just light up in green. Some transformer had exploded. I was so scared.
Keep using that too? Yeah. I'm facing my fears or whatever.
You don't know this, but I'm slowly having a heart attack right now.
I'm having a slow tap.
I actually can't breathe this.
Oh, might as well electrocute me.
Just kill me already, God. Just kill me. Well, hold on now. Mama's making steak fajitas tonight. Tomorrow.
I'm just gonna have a panic attack first.
Do you like it with tortillas or just rice? I don't even know.
Tortillas. Usually there's a little bit of like yellow rice and black beans on the side.
J-Lo rice. Oh, I saw another one over there. It was
Yeah.
crazy looking.
I think that's where the kind of the epicenter was.
It just came straight down.
Because remember it was happening over here, it was just crossing over.
Okay. What is that? I really like stormy weather though.
Sure. I like just moving on down.
Do you think it's a lawsuit though? Like if a pool gets hit with water and kills a bunch of
They've
people?
got backup plans on everything.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
This place is a shithole though. They might not.
Thank you.
Yeah. We got a lot of really good shows coming up.
Yep.
Gonna have to rewatch some of House of Dragon.
Yeah, I think that'd be worth it.
Playing soccer.
Just a fucking magic school bus driver.
I don't know. I like it though.
Sounds like.
Could you see me dressed like that?
Yeah. I can see you showing up to her house for Christmas, being like, "I'm cosplaying as you."
Oh my god.
I need to know your name so I can tell people on you. Brown.
Oh.
Oh. It's nice out here.
Yeah, it is.
This place is a shithole.
Baby. What? Don't give me that
Calm
look.
down.
Okay. Mr. Always want to go to the office to yell
Look
at
at the
people.
damn sunny side of life every now and then.
I'm not-
Yes. Wrong side. That's what I'm talking about. No, it's cool. I'm going to the office.
Where is it? Oh, wow. That's weird.
Right past the little spot where you take a left there. Really cool. Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
Okay, you be working here. Ooh, it got chilly, like it's gonna tornado.
Imagine working here and not knowing where the fuck to go.
Yeah. Here comes the rain. Doo-doo-doo. Here comes the rain. I love swimming in rain.
I love swimming in rain. Get under the dam. A little electricity lubricant. Ooh.
That's what I'm saying. What am I doing? Smoking crack or something. I don't know. Oh,
Look at that box car.
did you hear that? Tink, tink, tink.
Yeah. Oh, man. We're getting it.
Hopefully they don't need anything in those boxes.
Oh, we going to the trash, right?
I don't know. I don't know how you'd come from that way if you're gonna go to the trash.
Oh, yeah. But why do they have it on top?
I guess they're stupid, baby. I don't know.
I'm going to the other trash.
Wow.
Buckle up.
Oh my god.
Where the fucking lights?
Why would you want that though?
It's gonna straight give a kid PTSD.
Oh my god.
You barely handle it underneath his clothes. Fucking holy shit. This is awesome.
You just look that way.
I see people running. Wait, here it comes, here it comes. Holy shit.
What is that? Water?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Yes, water my plants so I
It's like
don't have to.
fucking an everywhere pool right now.
Oh my god. Can you imagine trying to communicate with someone out there?
I'd be up on top of that damn pergola, on top of the metal, like, you call this a storm?
Oh my god.
Woo!
Woo! What time is it?
5:30.
I'm
I
scared.
can't move. I can't move.
You okay, baby?
I wonder if I got the lens. No, can't tell.
Really? I bet you can in some instances.
No, I'm saying like it's on the screen too, you know. So I can't tell what's lens, what's screen. There goes one.
What?
See the lightning?
No, I didn't see it.
Sounds like it's getting further away. I like how they update this shit after the fact.
What's it saying now?
It's like it's detecting it as it's coming by, but earlier there was nothing here.
They're like, oh
It's
shit.
like, oh, here it comes. Where'd that person come from?
I don't know.
Yeah, might as well drive faster, right?
I know. Fucking stupid, especially in the neighborhood.
Hello? And you guys left me. Let me get in there. I'm trying to die.
Hello, hello. Well, you
I
guys,
can't imagine rolling up to the pool with an umbrella.
is that where she went?
I'm assuming.
I thought she might have gone to the package center. That makes more sense to me.
No. I don't see anybody going to package center.
Maybe her kids are there or something. She's
I
like,
think there
"What
was
the
a
fuck in the
child.
house?"
Like
Oh.
a kid. Their parents like, I said we having a pool day.
Okay.
Tammy, you wanted a pool day. You have it.
Just out in the rain crying.
You know why we came? Because you was crying. Guess what? God's crying now.
Oh my god. My car is getting a nice little bubble bath.
Yeah. Little massage.
Yes. Yes, water my basil. Just needed it.
She's getting it. Good spot to get watered, I guess.
It's so hard to keep up with all these fucking plants.
I feel like the little.
Raindrops are sick.
Yeah. Three minutes. 42 seconds.
How much is left?
I got a feeling. get another big gust. Ah.
Wasn't bad.
I mean, it's got some resistance, but I ain't trying to risk it. Fall to this.